Hey folks, welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making Panera broccoli cheddar soup. You're going to start with making a roux. I'm going to get my pan a little hot. We're going to start with 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that melt. With the weather changing, soups are delicious to have for dinner, lunch. This is a fast, easy one. It's just got, just half a dozen ingredients, but they're very easy to do. I've got onions, a small onion that I've diced fine, and we're going to saute these until they're soft and translucent. We're just going to stir it around. We're going to take our flour, we're going to sprinkle it over the onions. Just roll it around till you cook out that flour taste. It kind of gets thick. We're going to put in our salt and pepper. Sprinkle that. Then we're going to add the milk, 2 cups. And take a whisk and get all that incorporated. I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons. I'm just going to eyeball it, of Dijon mustard. We're going to put in 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. I'm going to whisk that, let it come to a boil. As it gets boiling, gets thick, we'll cut it down a hair. We're going to put in our cheese that I've shredded. Melt that. We're going to put in our velvety. I've cut them in little chunks. I'm going to mix that around. We're going to put in a cup of slivered carrots that I chopped. Put that in there. Let it cook. We're going to put in 2½ cups of chicken broth. Get that stirred in. We'll put our broccoli in there. We're going to let it cook for a few minutes till it gets thick. Now I'm going to add the heavy cream. Now that I've got everything in there, we're going to let it cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the broccoli is tender but not mushy. You still want it to have a bite. The soup is done, and until the broccoli was tender, and we're going to do a taste test. You can see that broccoli and those carrots. Ooh, that looks good. Let's do a taste test. Hopefully I don't burn my mouth. It is good. That cheese, that onion, everything. You can taste it. It's creamy. It's thick. Then you serve it with some crusty bread. Or you can even serve it with croutons. This soup is wonderful for any night or any season. It's a great soup to have any time of the week. It's fast and easy. It don't take no time. So I hope you try this soup. Down in the comments, let me know what your favorite soup is. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.